All right, today this is Tony again with Tiger Construction, and today we're doing some gutter guards, mounting of gutter guards here in San Antonio, Texas. And our technician Steve here, we're replacing these cheaper version of the screen types. These are very inexpensive. People buy them at Home Depot, and yeah, they're cheap, but some of the flaws are that the sticks and debris get stuck in these large holes and you can't even blow them off, and the debris gets stuck on there. So this customer wanted to upgrade to the LeafBlasterPro, which we really recommend. They have a lot of really cool features that we're going to detail in some other videos. But these ridges that you see here in this micro mesh stainless steel product and aluminum, there's no plastic on it that will degrade over time like some of the competitors have. And these ridges are designed so that when the debris does get on there, it creates, no matter how matted down it might get, it creates an air pockets in a channel so that eventually the wind will just blow it off. And the sticks and of course debris cannot get into these small holes. And the other cool feature is, as the rainwater is coming down, they've got a trough at the bottom that does block it before it runs over, and it gives it a little bit more place for the water so it doesn't overflow. So we really love this product, and we'll talk about it some more in some other videos, but that's what we're installing today, the LeafBlasterPro. Thanks for tuning in.